Ekipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasa, amatanga, chinyangi, birthday, misangirikano y'iki kanisa, baby shower, anniversaries gusa ikinyuru kinyomo, inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino, imijiga bunabono housewarming parties, engagement parties igatie binde bige buno Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asirigo liri gutukutira ninchwe omurikiri wigiye masije munaba manyi bitabo bale nuba manyi bigura igeti byete bwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikiriwe nabukulika jumbenge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp gusego yakisimi gwitira namba 0741499726.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, computer programming, cyber security pamoja na digital animation and media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za plumbing na building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutiti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
Omugasomya omwanchumo ligereria ejuma ya bene ekero charagire chinsa isano na ibere chabona omugaso chitariki 30 omutinyi omutangani ekero tutigaretiri tukeri marioka tosoe aso omutinyi okabere. Karibu sana ekeunga chinsa isano na ibere eliyo nkomanye ayabereka gukorekana kurwa chinsemo au nchoni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto nigo tokubwaterana na Vanessa Nyaboke kurugalia sensemo yebimanyerelio ekeunga chinsa isano na ibere nigo togochaka kurwa ase sector yechisemi asomo waziri wechisemi omuske Julius Migos Ogamba aberega kurwo kuboria ochase aborokia banene banyareko babakubanchira aboroki ba grade ye komigo so ase chiskuru nonyemba bwati ebinto byonsi ayankolengana no gochika kwaye omuraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William William Ruto. Musiko gamba gukwana kurwa ase University ya Uzima ime county ya Kisumu ekerogyo kubekirwa chigutwa cha baroki wa ase University yo umusiko gamba ningabereka gotogia umuraibwense asomukia naboigo asokurugo chikoko naboigo gotababuna nigo kwabereka gokonya aboroki wa bangi gosoa ase chiskuru nigo boigo abereka kolira yogo chigokora umuchando we uniform ase chiskuru au.
Your Excellency, allow me to thank you for the directive that you gave last week on the basis of ensuring that all our students in grade 9 transition to grade 10 without necessarily having the fees required or having uniforms. Due to that directive, we have been able to move our admissions from 92% last week to 98% yesterday, and we intend to move to the 100% transition policy as provided in our government policies by the end of today. I want to take this opportunity to urge all the principals to admit the students that are remaining, and we've also instructed our field officers to collect the data of all these students so that we can be able to do what is necessary to ensure that our mandate under Article 53 of the Constitution is done. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will be able to resolve this issue that relates to the uniforms and the school feeding, and we urge Kenyans to be patient as the ministry and the government works for a solution to ensure that our children will never again be denied education because of uniforms or lunch money or any other levies that are not provided for by government.
Murikyo botambe asa mangana yoboerania abwa mangana kusi Broadcasting and Telecommunication Stephen Esaboke nigaberiga kogokera egetambokero ky'umuraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto yokubwatoka kibesa kya nyota gucha sabasaye abuli tukuligoro na kulira yogochikobasira asa mangana yemitandao ogokwana emambi yeli tukulia lero chinga kichietaro yaye ase skuru yobobundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic Isaboke nigaberega kogokera ogochaki wa kumurubulyo gitume asabasaye bagutumika chi computer kuligiana bego gukora chigasi wetera ase mitandao kurwa ase serikali asabereka gotebabuna ekeiga ngechigokonya gokeya umuchando wo kubura kwechigasi ane na asabasaye aiga asense ya Kenya.
With joining guys Kisii National Polytechnic kuligeri mono ese abana abasaye bakwebundise ibintu bya digitali iyerege kyabo ekemo kyabo mikakati ya ibintu biri omorai oitobyense President William Ruto a promise tinga yaya oikakatore the digital nere digital ndia kwane tu kwani ura literikola kan digital nere chitume center ni chi center chinde chonsi bigusiyengiba ngotanga mpiyamo sana nkurenli omonene byense president ito achetegoro gagusi akacha ko launch chibesa gotomu esabana banyota bali bachede through kwende biongo byensi baka bakanyoranga baitire barekene baranyora chibesechi gusiga seito abana 3800 20 banyora chibesa igoro 1022 3000 kiro yoma akagacheru ekeganja savings na pare wiki nkayo na bacha bayi gwechinde 22 na chinde setu chigachu egere bacha kibiasara biri babunde setu na kwa hiyo chibese chimbaye tu chibese mene jire bantu akwa para bagenda chibese chibaye tu after ba paro kiri first of all ekindi kyabongere kiege ngesa kibete kwa koreze birengere bya mbiri byebi number 2 boro kinga ya na batu korega like a plan number 3 bono boro kinga mbache bakore batimi chibese chese ese gasi yuto ibintu bindi mena kwetegoro monene bwense baka na gavana yito gavana simbarate ko batenga moje munga inu bono mozo ko peps zagoro ku buda chibese chigende chisire andu buganga chibese chana bwate ange 2022 ngai chachete egere chibese chigende biasara mono egente kiabeto ko president ito anje tabasa na ndikuri yabasa bali mono patari kwenyara gose batari gocha kunyara wekonya anye serikali tari goche bakonye because na baruna bakenya na baruna abantu batakire kwenyorero bugima bwabo komenta igoro yayo gusiye ito ebintu ne binga manene byense na barayi baito bakwanire bigocha gocha bikonya abantu baito ndiki yabono iga taringa kia siasa aba mwakwana babujotenda mwana ichikura mbaje batangase ngakiyo bono iga tulisa poli turigere limono mono tokonya abana baita basaye baito na rugusi na barabange tokonya abantu baito toreta magendero amagendero yagocha pae
Omwaziri ebwobochenu Eden Duale nigo atebire buna wikabono nigo chinyagitari elibweyemo emieyemo na 15 chabere chigo siekwa kubwatekana nobongainireria asomoroberio bobowenia osha Aden nigo abereka goteba buna omwaziri nigo atebire buna wikabono abakenya chimilioni 29 nigo babere bakwerikia asomoroberio yo na kubulia abakenya bonsi bali bataraba bakwerikia banyale ko bakwerikia elio gokonyeka ekero bakuriyo bugwenia ase chinyagitari nonyanabo omusike Eden nigo aberega kubwatuka egekurege tindi gochase chinyagitari chiri chigendete gukora ubungainirerio bwo na goteba endionsi irachi gutuka nigera chikwemukiriwa egetambukire getindi kelichiko
2026, we have registered 29 million Kenyans into the Social Health Authority. This mass registration has translated into tangible financial help from our system. We have collected 130.4 billion in contribution. And critically, we have disbursed over 93.4 billion to healthcare providers, both in public, in private, in faith-based, and in our national referral hospitals. 2025, during Madaraka Day in Homa Bay, President Ruto launched the NIPA Sharp Electoral Initiative. We understood that the informality of our economy requires flexibility. This innovative payment model allows Kenyans in the informal sector to make a small, manageable contribution towards their health cover rather than a lump sum. This has democratized access to insurance, ensuring that economic status is no longer a barrier to quality health care. We are currently having over 410,011 active payers utilizing this SHA LIPA for the poor. And so far they have contributed over 1.4 billion, a clear indication that Kenyans are willing to pay for their health when given a dignified option. Ensuring that the most vulnerable among us are not left behind. The national government is currently sponsoring over 558,000 indigent households, picked from the social health protection data in all our villages and all our counties and constituencies. And
Omwaziri woborendi bweime omuske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen nigo abeire goseniga gendete kugikire muno chiburaburu echi chabete chigwateka litkulia Jumapili imeya Othaya county ya Nyeri na kubulia siasa chomurembe chinyare koba achigo kolekana Banyana boni gaburirie obutuki bweime gokorwa asobwango elikoene kibuna balibonsi baletete chiburaburu echo ase kanisa abo ase uyo kabiro mokonyi wo muraibwense ya Kenya nabo go muraibweke magia DCP Rigathi Gachagua abeteka gwikirana asogo sasima mbachikwimukirwa egetambukiro.
Tunataka kufanya siasa ya amani. Tunataka tufanye siasa ya upendo. Tunataka kufanya siasa ya maendeleo. Ile mambo ya kulingana mawe, kupigana kwa kanisa hatuwezi kukubali. Na hatuwezi kukubali mambo ambayo tuliona hapa majuzi tukiwa pale Othaya, haiwezekani tena. Na nimeambia regional commissioner na regional security team lazima wachukue hatua ya kisheria kuhakikisha mambo hayo yamekomeshwa na kusimamishwa completely. Sisi kama serikali na Mheshimiwa Rais ametuambia wazi, serikali yetu inafanya siasa ya amani. Hata tukiwa na wapinzani wetu waendelee kufanya siasa yao kwa amani. Kila mtu apewe nafasi yake, afanye siasa yake, auze sera zake. Mwishowe wananchi ndio watanunua ile sera ambayo inaweza kuwafaidi kwa maisha yao. Ukweli ama sio kweli? Ni namna hiyo ama sio namna hiyo? Mngetaka tufanye siasa ya amani? Ninaomba wanasiasa wetu tusifanye siasa ya kutafuta goons, tusifanye siasa ya kulingana mawe, tusifanye siasa ya kupigana kanisa. Na mimi naongea kama waziri ya usalama, tutakufanyia hatua ya kisheria kama wewe utaleta vita kwa kanisa ama kwa mkutano ya mwanasiasa wowote. Haijalishi ni mwanasiasa wa mrengo fulani, siasa yote ambayo ni duni ya kupigana mawe na kupigana maangumi, hiyo lazima ikome. Tukue kwa siasa ya amani. Siwezi kukubali kanisa ikuwe ni mahali ambapo siasa duni na chafu ya vita.
Mwanchumu ligiriria kubwatekana ne chibura buru chuchabete chikwene kiwa ase kanisa ni gavara ibe chikanisa au beso kirina kugikeli siasa echigukolekana amu ase chikanisa ime amone chisegi ime yebisa simero. Bakura wanere Bishop Joseph Monela nigo babolirie ebisa simero binyale kubabigo sikwa na kubekwa ensemo anenekero siasa achigukolekana.
That's ungodly. So politics, and when it comes to campaigns, you just get drunk. And people don't want to think, and then, as we have said, and we have put it in place, and you have seen it if you have watched our events, we just recognize politicians and not allow them to speak. Why should a politician want to speak when an archbishop from Kisumu is not speaking? Us as Kenyans, sure, politicians, they are not everything. Yeah. But you need good politicians. So that was your asked about the third trend. It may get worse as we move towards election. It will only get worse if control measures are not put there. The church is only to speak, but there must be enforcement. The police must be there. But don't hear people say, which I don't know, there are police who are not in uniform. Hired by people, hired goons. I have spoken about goons. As long as I live in Kitui, I also speak against it. No politician should come with goons, should organize goons.
Mwanchumu ligerelia nara yukuruweke unga chinsa isano na ibire kulendekero charagire chinsa 10 nande ningirane ngoletera yande ahasinchira eyobwenye genda gutegerera na kuligerelia Getembe TV nigo tobwatiranire nere Vanessa Nyaboke kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio elio kwenekia elio ginechi bicha bya gwikiribya nigakuru ku Mike Wells na nchini gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security, pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutiti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
nafsi na ita
ogukwa kwaraliwe gwa James Nyanchoka Muguche uchende kuralia ukwa wa James Nyanchoka Muguche numwana bwa balinyagusira mayaka na Nyabonyi numugaka ususan Nyabonyi abana baye ngamona Cosmas Mayaka, Ellen Biaki, Mary Kirbo, Yumaikino Muna Gladys, John Muchama, Andrew Onduso, Jackson Kariuki, Peter Obonsi, Janet Nyirabu na Isaiah Omboga. Mumra Umuabo Patrick Ongeri, Abakurukwa Ondieki, Obonsi, Ombega, Masamo, Abakurukwa Onkendi, Manono, Umonyi, Ongoro, Gatuma na Nyangweso. Bakaba mura baye ngamona Asela, Lina, Edina, Veronica, Melena na Raela. Bakaba mura bamwabo ngamona abakurukwa Maria, Nyagusira, Nyankuru, Gisale, Mekubo, Ariri, Uchiche na Nyaberi. Aba munywemerete ngamona Benson Mose, Charles Agecha na Dioka Kirera. Abayisemuke ngamona Nyagusira, Uirere nabande abange. Bakoyoye ngamona Albert